Hey guys, Challenger 10,000, and have you ever wondered how to make a maze game from scratch? Luckily, it's super easy, so let's get into it. Create a new project, and the first thing you're going to want to do is to draw at least 3 mazes. So when we press the green flag, the maze is random, we have to add this script in. The second number in the pick random has to be the amount of mazes you have. So for the player movement script, I have it in my backpack, but you can pause the video and copy the script down. Make sure to put it in the player sprite. We also need to add this script in, so when green flag clicked, set size to 50% and go to X minus 200 and Y minus 140. This will position the player at the start of the game. When we give the game a run, we will be able to move around and Scratch Cat will start at the same place every time we press the green flag, but there's a problem. The maze is too easy. A way we can make it harder is to add a light around the player so that you can only see what is around you. The way we can accomplish this is by making the flashlight bigger than the screen, but Scratch doesn't allow for that. Luckily there is an easy workaround and I will show you how to do it. Create a new sprite and go on to costumes. Get rid of the outline and choose the rectangle tool. Set the outside to black and the inside to transparent. Hold the shift key down to draw a perfect square and put it in the center of the canvas. Change the sprite size to a massive value like 2000. Make sure to decrease the size of the costume in the costume tab. Now make a new one and make it all black. Put them around the center one. Add this script in so the light follows the player on the light sprite. When we run the project, we will be able to see the flashlight following the player, which makes the maze more challenging. Now we can get into making the code for the game. Before we do that though, since you're still sticking around, why not like the video and press that subscribe button if you want to see more tutorials in the future. It helps my channel out a lot. Thanks. Anyways, back to the video. For the game to work, we'll need to add this list of things in. We need to make a timer, we need to make a goal, and we need to make a win/game over screen. Let's start coding. Create a new sprite and make a variable called time left. I have this script in my backpack, so pause the video to copy the script down. Go into the costumes tab and make costume 1 the you win screen. Make costume 2 the game over screen. Make a new sprite and choose the ball. I have this script in my backpack, so pause the video and copy it down. Go back to the sprite with this code in and put when I receive win, switch costume to costume 2, show, stop all. Slap that green flag and give the game a go. If you followed all the steps correctly, the game should now work. Now you can leave if you want, but there is some game enhancement we can make, so stick around if you want to improve the game. With the current score system, if you get to the goal in the time limit, you win, but in the new one, you have to get to as many of the goals as you can before the time runs out. So the player doesn't always go the same way. We need to make it so that every time the player gets a point, the maze is changed. So without further ado, let's start coding. First, in the game control sprite, we need to remove this code. Now we need to make a variable called points for all sprites. Add in these two codes. Go onto the maze sprite and make a variable called last stage. Add this code in. The second number in the pick random has to be the amount of mazes you have. I have this script in my backpack, so pause the video to copy the script down. Add this script into the player sprite. Slap that green flag and give the game a go. If you followed all the steps correctly, the game should now work. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. If you want to see how to make save codes, that video is on screen. Have a good day, and Challenger 10,000 out.